All right, I'm gonna show you how to use Inspect Element to download stuff you usually can't download. This could be like an image that doesn't have a download button, or it just says save as web page, or anything that where there's not a download button and you're mad. So like I'm looking around, oh no, I can't download this clip. Well, you can try right-clicking it and press Inspect, and this is gonna open, I presume, a big HTML thing, and you can kind of arrow around and see what parts of the page are being highlighted when you arrow around. But basically, what you're going to look for is a big link and something that says like source or asset. Like right there, look at that big link, and it says source and it says asset, and this is video. This is all about a video thing, right? And it's highlighting the video. So if I right click this and I open a new tab, I've downloaded that video when I wasn't given the option to do that. Some places you're not going to be able to use Inspect Element to get something you want, but a lot of sites like blogs or whatever that prevent you from downloading their images, you can download the image by using Inspect Element and looking for that asset link. So it's a nice tip.